Hi my sparkly crafty friends, this is Jenifer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a design team package from OohLaLaVtgTreasures, and she collaborated with Martha from Red Hill Fiber and Company. I will leave all the information below for where you can find Red Hill Fiber and Co, as well as OohLaLaVtgTreasures. So the collaboration was between them, and let me go ahead and open. I believe the wooden spools are in here. Oh, I like this fabric. Isn't that pretty? Oh, let me go ahead and hold that up. Look how pretty. It's in this pretty little bag here, and there are some pretties hanging. Look at that pretty piece here. And look at this yumminess. Love it. Little dangles, little sparkly bits. And then a couple of doilies there, and some pretty pink ribbon. So cute. And let's open this bag. It's a cute little satin bag. And inside are the wooden spools or lace holders. So it's wrapped with this pretty lace, and then there are 6 of them here. So there are some that have the cutout. Isn't that pretty? It's a very nice laser cutout, and then you have the ones that are plain. I guess you could double them up, but I'm gonna probably leave them so I can have more than 3. And so you get here, I got 3 of the engraved ones, laser cut I mean, and then 3 of the plain ones. So it'll be fun because then I can, if I want to cover this with paper, I can, and I won't feel so bad about it. And then I could paint these maybe. That might be a good idea. But I am going to see, after I open the rest of it, what kind of inspiration I have. Okay, I'm going to take this packaging out. It's a little crunchy. All right. Oh, so let's see. I have 2 boxes here. I think I'm going to open the little one first. So this one is covered with this really pretty lace, and then there's some eyelet trim in pink and cream tied into a cute little bow. And then look at this, there's some pretties hanging here. That heart is cute, and I love this little fabric piece. Okay, let's go ahead and open that. Okay, this over here. Oh, that's so cute. It was 2 pieces of different lace. That is too cute. And this one has like a little ruffle. And so does this one at the top and bottom here. Isn't that cute? All right. You know I gotta make everything look pretty, you guys. While I'm opening it, of course. You can't help it. Okay, let's open the box. I'm super excited. Ooh, look at all these pretties. Love some sequins. Look at that. Beautiful. And, oh, look at that cameo. Pretty. And this little piece here, pearls and rhinestones. Look at all of this stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. Little tiny bits that she attached here to this cute little pin. Yummy. Did I show that good enough? Love this little flower. So cute. All right, and then a little piece of applique. Such a sweet little piece. And then you have, whoop, you have these little cuties. So you have this ruffled fabric and this pretty doily. Well, it's like an embroidered flower, and then you have this little, oh, how cute, embroidered butterfly there. And this sparkly trim, well, it's like a little flower piece of applique there. So cute. Of course, the pink little flower too. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, look at that. That's fun. That is super fun. I want to play with it. Okay. And there's a cute little tatted doily. And this little bit, oh, how cute, a little fabric piece, quilted. It's a very light pink and white. Looks like polka dots. And then this little piece right here. Some little pieces of lace. It looks like a very pale pink eyelet. And then some little pieces there and some more of that pretty little applique with the rhinestones. So cute. Oh my goodness, look at these tiny little book pages. Looks like they are in French. Possibly. And there's several pages of there, so that's cute. And then there's a, I don't know, this paper at the bottom. I assume that she put that in there, but I can't get it out. It's kind of like a handmade textured paper. It's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that there, and then these over here. Okay, let's dig into this cigar box. Oh, look at that. There's a strip of that awesome fabric that was in the last kit that I used for the cover of my journal that I need to finish. That, oh, so many unfinished projects, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to catch up. So here we have this beautiful white cigar box, and inside, little treasures. Look at that pretty doily. That is so yummy. Oh my goodness, Doreen, this is a lot of stuff, girl. That is so pretty. Can you see the tan along with the cream and the flowers? It's really pretty. Oh, look how cute. It's like a little pocket. My goodness. Let's see, let me take that out. Oh, she lined the bottom of this with some paper. So, oh, that's part of the cigar box. Okay. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. and we will see what's inside this yumminess. Yummy. Yummers. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to leave this on so I don't lose this pretty piece here. Look how cute. Little butterfly and this little tiny piece of lace, and this pretty sparkly that there. And then so surrounding this is this beautiful doily. And some goodies here. Wow, let's look at all this. So look at how pretty that flower is. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Amazing. My goodness, look at all these goodies. This piece of vintage fabric, maybe a tablecloth or something. And then look at this beautiful applique. Yum. And this beautiful pink ruffly trim. It's one of my favorites. And this is so pretty. I love this too. It's so soft and feminine. And this, I love how she dyed this pink. So pretty, Doreen. Those are going to be fun to play with. And then this book of stuff. Oh my goodness, girl. This pretty paper. I remember this was also in the last kit, and it's very cool, like feel. I put one of those in the signature. Oh, look at this beautiful applique. And that sweet little button that I couldn't give up from the last time she had these. I don't know. Maybe I did. I can't remember. But, man, I just wanted to use it for something that I wanted to keep. Anyway. Whoop. And then this beautiful, there's that pink polka dot. Oh, no. Is it pink polka dot? I can't tell. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the other piece. Hard to tell. But it's really cute. Anyway, and look at this. These are really cute doilies. And that beautiful little touch of pink fabric there. So cute, Doreen. And then, oh my goodness, another applique. Look how cute. And this fabric, oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Thank you, Doreen. Really, really cute. Just lovely. And then here's another sheet of that paper. And this gorgeous fabric. Oh my goodness. Isn't that so pretty? Wow. That is gorgeous. My goodness. Wow, Doreen, that was really a fun kit. And thank you, Martha, for including me in your collaboration with Doreen. I just love this, and I can't wait to put something together. So I will be back, hopefully with a project, or maybe the start of one at least. I will be traveling soon, so I might not be able to get it done as soon as the other ladies. So anyway, I will talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I will leave all the information where you can find them. All right, thanks so much, guys. Bye for now.